Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to transfer from Crypto.com to Binance. First of all, open your Crypto.com application on your phone and you have to click on transfer. From here you have to select withdraw, select crypto. From here you will see a bunch of options. You have to select external wallet. If you don't have a wallet, you have to click on add wallet address. Hit the plus icon on the top right corner. From here you have to select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. In this example video, I will transfer my Ethereum. So I will select Ethereum. From here, it is asking me for Ethereum address. To get the Ethereum address, I will open my Binance app and click on the wallet on the bottom right corner. From here, all I have to do is switch to spot. On the top, you will see a spot option. From here, you have to find the Ethereum. Here is Ethereum. I will click on Ethereum. From here, all I have to do is click on deposit. From here, I will choose my network, which is ERC20. If I go back to Crypto.com application, you will see the network is ERC20. So I have to make sure that in Binance, I have to select ERC20. From here, it will show me an address. I will just copy the address by clicking on the copy button. Once copied, I will go back to Ethereum, paste my wallet address and give my wallet any name that I want and hit on continue. Now my wallet has been added into Crypto.com. So I will select withdraw Ethereum. I have to select the amount that I want to transfer from Crypto.com to Binance. For example, if I want to transfer $1,000 worth of crypto or Ethereum, I will select that and I will hit on continue and it will show me an overview, the network type, the fee. If I'm confirmed, then I have to select the confirm button on the bottom. Once you've done that, you have successfully transferred your crypto from Crypto.com to Binance. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.